Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to enable the active brake assist. So let me show you how to maximize your save in your Mercedes. Alright, at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, of course. Here you can choose one of the following menus, but you can also swipe to the left a few times. Let me swipe it here. And here you've got settings. So the settings is the menu with the car. So let's just tap the car right here. And from the following view, you can choose one of the tabs here. Let's choose Assistance and select Collision Avoidance. As you can see, here you've got a few collision avoidance features that you can use. Basically, I really recommend to enable all of them. As you can see, I've got my active brake assist disabled, but I can fix it by using this switcher. And right now, I'm using the active brake assist. If you tap here the settings icon right here, you've got the explanation. The function can help you minimize the risk of collision with vehicle, cyclists or pedestrians, or reduce the effects of the accidents. So you can also choose here the level of the brake assist. It could be early, medium or late. Usually the car is with medium. So in my case, let me keep medium. Let's close it, and that's it. You can use also here some other collision avoidance like active lane keep assist or blind spot assist. You can check out those explanations in our other videos. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.